Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get UCL final tokens for free in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. So let's tap the news update first, this one. Tap it and then tap the third news update, this one. So this is the daily login reward, UEFA Champions League final reward. Get high for UEFA Champions League final with extra rewards. Login every day between May 23rd and until June 1st to receive your daily UCL final token. So you can get this final token by logging this game every day between 23rd until June 1st. So you can use this final token to get rewards like a 93 and 95 OVR UCL players and coins. So let's tap the store and then go to the top events, and as you can see there are three options here. The first one, UCL event pack, purchase limit 2 times, so you can get a 93 and 95 OVR UCL final player, and also 3 player with 89 and 95 OVR with only 5 UCL token that you collect. And also you need 3 token to get 1 UCL player 90 until 95 OVR, and also 3 player with 88 and 95. And also this is the cheap one. You only need one final token to get 100,000 of coin. So the point is log in every day to get UCL final tokens, this one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.